Dear students, today I am going to teach you a very important topic that is very important for your examination. Earlier I have taught you 0 hours, question hours, and how many type of questions are there. I have taught you start questions, unstart questions, and short notice question. Today I am going to teach you motions. What do you mean by first one? What is motion? With reference to the Indian Parliament, I am talking. A motion is a formal proposal made by a member of the Parliament, and by that motion, member of Parliament will inform to the House about particular matter that is very important, okay, for the nation or for the house. And the main motto is there, definite matter will be taken concern by government, and particular matter government should take action. So this is a motion, and very easy way I have taught you. Again I am going to repeat this one. A motion is a formal proposal made by a member stating that the house should take up some particular matter which is of public importance. With the help of the motion, the member draw attention of the government to take suitable action on the particular matter, different matter. So now next, I think motion it is clear. So there are many motions are there, but I'll teach in brief one. First one, adjournment motion. Here one more word is there, adjourn the house. So your answer is there, speaker, and here different term is there, adjournment motion. What do you mean by this one? I think, dear students, you know this one. Like in your classroom, definite period has been given. That period first who will teach, period second who will teach, period third who will teach, likewise. Same will be happening about Parliament. Means first one question hours, then after lunch 0 hours, and who will ask question, each and everything has been decided earlier, because I have taught you when member of Parliament will ask question to notice, 10 days notice, prior notice required. So suppose each and every agenda of the each and every working day has been fixed, and suppose any current issue came to existence, very urgent important case came to existence. So in that circumstances, adjournment motion can be initiated. What do you mean by adjournment motion? Adjournment motion means a proposal to lay aside all the business and take up the different matter of urgent importance. Meaning, what is earlier fixed agenda, that will keep aside, means stop this one, and take concern, means discussion will be there on particular urgent matter that is very important one. Such a motion lead to the interruption of the normal business of the house. Adjournment motions are generally allowed on subjects such as railway accident resulting in the death of several persons, or rare dacoity, and some natural calamity like devastating floods or tornado, communal tension, etc. Means, you tell me, if any disaster will be there, or train accident taken place and many people died, or daring dacoity had been taken place, in that circumstances this motion can be initiated. Means other fixed agenda of the house will be not taken concern, this matter will be taken concern, means urgent matter will be taken concern. So this is adjournment motion. I think all my students are getting. Next motion is there, no confidence motion. What do you mean by this one? No confidence motion Basically, no confidence motion can be introduced only by opposition, and this, sorry, anybody can introduce, but basically I am talking कि no confidence motion can be initiated basically by opposition, and no confidence motion also introduced only in Lok Sabha, not in Rajya Sabha. And what is the procedure? Please pay attention. कि it means by 20 members signature, 30 members signature, no confidence motion can't be initiated. Procedure I am talking. Very, very important motion is there. So if question will be there, on which ground no confidence motion can be initiated? So your answer will be there. If there is a lack of majority in the house. Lack of majority means sufficient majority not available. Now, what is the provisions I have taught you? कि 10 days notice required. I have taught you earlier. So the how, suppose any, if opposition going to introduce no confidence motion, so minimum 50 member of Lok Sabha member signature required, and they will give notice to speaker, and after that, after 10 days notice and with signature of 50 member 50, if this notice given, after that speaker will grant permission, then this motion will be introduced in the Lok Sabha. And very, very important point I am going to tell you. If this motion has been passed, it means entire ministry will collapse. Entire ministry will collapse. Means now government is not having majority. Sometimes the no confidence motion assumes much importance. Even a single vote counts. In 12th Lok Sabha, the government headed by late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee lost just by one vote. The government collapsed and general election was held. Okay. So now one more question is there I would like to mention. Suppose today, if opposition going to introduce no confidence motion, so how government will defend this one? So government will introduce confidence motion. After that voting will be there, and dear students, when voting will be there, so definitely if opposition having more number, so no confidence motion will be passed, and basically what will be happening? Government means ruling party having majority, so after that, after voting, it will be decided that no confidence motion has not been passed, confidence motion has been passed, means government having confidence. Two more terms are there: adjournment and prorogation of the house. Adjournment of the house means suspension of the sitting of the house by speaker, and prorogation means termination of the session of the parliament. Termination means, suppose one example I am giving, then you'll understand. Suppose budget session is going on and 10 days happen or 20 days happen. 20 days passed away. Okay. And after that, if president has done prorogation, means if house has been, means prorogation has been done by president, it means budget session is ended. Okay, clear? Prorogation means termination, means working of the house will be terminated. Now next year it will come, this year not possible. But if it has been suspended, so suspended for 1 week, 1 day, 3 hours, 4 hours, okay, so again it will be started. But if termination taken place, so it will be over. Now whatever I have taught today, type of motions: first one, adjournment motion; second one, no confidence motion; and more other motions are there: censure motion, cut motion. Censure motion means if opposition is going to criticize a government, then this motion will be initiated. But if this motion will be passed also, government will not collapse. Government will collapse only if no confidence motion has been passed. One more point I would like to mention here, and this topic I'll teach later. Council of Ministers are working on the philosophy of sink and swim together. Means either all cabinet, means each and every decision of the Council of Ministers, okay, taken. So all ministers are equally responsible. So that's why if no confidence motion has been passed against a single minister, then entire cabinet will collapse. So only dear student, only this much today, and next day I will come with another video. Thank you.